My name is Brittany Jaggars and I am a student at Virginia Technical Institute. I am currently in electrical classes, but I have also been through all of the entirety of carpentry as well as one in plumbing. And I plan on finishing my plumbing, electrical, and possibly even going into HVAC. My school, actually, Faith Christian Academy, they said, if you take carpentry classes this year, we will pay for half of it. So I said, I have no idea what I'm doing with my life, why not? And that was one of the best decisions I've ever made. I never knew what I was going to do, so I thought I was going to be stuck in college, having no idea what I was going to do. I was going to be stuck in debt, come out with something, and still didn't know what I was going to do, and I was going to have to go to college again. And I was honestly extremely scared of that. And then I found BTI, which is so much cheaper, and it's such good technical uses. And then I don't have to worry about being in debt because I have enough money and scholarships and stuff. I make enough while working as well to pay for it. I've always been one to go and help my dad do things around the house. I got all 4 semesters of carpentry under my belt, and I graduated. I got the little diploma that says I did that. I was so excited. And then I have plumbing 1, and then I have electrical 1, and then 2 now because I think tonight's my last class. I'm hoping to get my journeyman's for electrical. If you want to come and do it, it's great. If you're not comfortable, have no idea what you're doing, it's a much cheaper and easier thing to do, and it will always give you something good to work with in the future. So even if you don't want to be in the carpentry, electrical, plumbing, HVAC business, it's good to have a little bit of that knowledge. It will be beneficial in the future. It's nice to know how to use a hammer, a drill, all of those tools. They're very helpful in everyday life. It's a great experience. It's definitely been fun. I've enjoyed being able to build things myself. Honestly, it's just really great to say you can do it yourself.